As requested, I will try to show better in this little video how to connect 3 units in this more challenging way to create a flower which looks basically as a triangle 3D. The thing is, there is not much space here to show you what I'm really doing when I'm connecting the last 2 units, because I have my hands which are in the way. But okay, I hope that everybody got from the first video how to connect, how the basic connection of the units works. So I won't spend much time explaining that. Just a small repetition. This is the pocket, and this is the flap which goes inside the pocket. So I prepare this, and I open it a bit, and I slide this top part into this, and then I continue. I follow the movement. Okay, from one side it looks like this, from other side it looks like this. It's all hidden. Nothing from that flap is visible anymore. Now, when you have 3 units, I told you in the previous video, we have to open here the units so that we can connect 3 units together. Basically, this will be my shape in the future, so do something like that, just opening the units, and we turn around, because this is what where we need to connect the last 2 units. Okay, so I will try. Maybe I'm worried I don't have right now any clips with me, but you can try to put not to lose your other connection, to use clips and put them here and here. Okay, and now what I have to do, you see what I have, yes? And now, can you see the flap? The flap is here. That's the flap we want to put inside this pocket. How I can do this? There is not much space there, so I have to really handle somehow my hands and the space. You see what I'm doing? This is it. And now I will try to catch this into this pocket. You can maybe try to make this kind of curled a bit so that it fits, because if you look, if I open this pocket, this is longer, so there is a problem. But if I curl this and push it like this, can you see? I push it inside, and then I continue. No, don't push again. And so that you can understand better, I hope. And yes, and what happened here is that I lost my good connection, which was done before, so I will repeat this again for you. Maybe I found the good way how to do it. So I hold my hands, or you can use clips here and here, to not lose those 2 connections, because if you lose it, you were working for nothing, because you have to repeat it again. So I open my pocket, and I prepare my finger here, and then I try to push this inside and continue sliding in. Didn't work. Yes, it didn't work. There's a moment when it can go out, but now it is in, and I just try to slide it inside. Perfect. So, where is my camera? So this is it. I hope it was better visible. Sorry for that little issue, and I hope more people will manage now. Have fun. See you later.